Hello and welcome to JLEC Electrical. In this video, we'll explain what an EICR, or Electrical Installation Condition Report, is and why it's essential for industrial and commercial properties. An EICR is a detailed inspection to ensure your electrical installation is safe, compliant, and capable of meeting your business's demands. It identifies risks such as fire hazards, electric shocks, and equipment failures, helping you maintain a safe working environment and meet legal and insurance requirements. For industrial and commercial properties, EICR frequency varies. Offices and retail spaces, every 5 years. Industrial sites, every 3 years or more, frequently for high-risk environments. The duration of an EICR depends on your site's size and complexity. A small office with one distribution board may take a day, while large industrial facilities with extensive wiring can take several days. We'll work with you to schedule testing at a convenient time, minimizing downtime. Here's what's involved in an EICR: inspecting distribution boards and checking the earth and bonding, testing circuits for continuity, insulation resistance, and polarity, ensuring protective devices like RCDs and circuit breakers function correctly, thermal imaging and visual inspections for overheating or non-compliance. We're NICEIC-approved contractors with extensive experience in complex industrial and commercial installations. Our team provides thorough, professional reports that highlight any issues and recommended actions, ensuring your business stays safe and compliant. To book an EICR or get a quote, contact us via phone, email, or our website. We look forward to working with you to keep your electrical systems running smoothly.